What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. We are here on a special banger today. So before I tell you where we're at, let me take a shot of this Four Loko real quick. We are here at a Thanksgiving massive meet, guys. The lighting right here at this meetup spot is beautiful. Let me show you how many cars are here. Not right now, man. The parking lot is officially full, guys. So tonight is gonna be a good ass meet. As we enter right now, there was a cop over there giving somebody a ticket, but other than that, we should be fine, guys. Dad, they brought back an old school hashtag, suck that meat. A while ago, I put a Twitter video of me getting head, and it kind of went viral, but then it got shut down from Instagram and Twitter. Man, there's a guy with a costume over here. Let me see if I could get him for you right now. Laura, se te ve la tanguita. God damn, what's going on right here? Oh, hashtag bring the underglow back. I'm gonna put it in my M3. What do you think? I should, huh? And then like a Four Loko sticker on the side, huh? Okay, look at the little halos on the M3 here. Okay, nice and purple. So I found the guy that was wearing the tanga that I spotted a mile away, and it's Juan the water boy. Let me see. Oh yeah, let me see una vueltecita, Mr. Juan. Excelente.
Make sure that comes out really good.
Yeah, let's zoom in on that real quick. There you go. And what is your pet's name?
Puto.
Puto? Nice. Oh, you have a bra on too, huh? So what are you supposed to be, a wizard, a piñata, a Mexican guy? What is it?
De todo.
Un todo de poco. Okay. We're not chugging out Four Loko in the water tonight? You're sober?
Huh?
Designated driver? Okay, good. Okay. Probably one of the cleanest 5.0s I've seen in a minute. We got Asani in the house. Come here. I love these dogs because they're so friendly. I hate when people say they're so dangerous because they're so friendly, dude. You gotta own one to know one.
Yeah.
It's beautiful lady's turn to show us what to do. It's your turn to chug. Stop being a weenie. Go.
I can't chug.
You're wasting my film. Damn, look at that Adam's apple. I just want to clap it right there. Ugh. I haven't seen this guy in a long time. Hey, let's get a soda with no cup and no ice. We got some nice cars out here right now. We got 392, we got the Mustang, and we got the Camaro. I had a feeling Camaro's always put in work. That was
really cute.
That was really sexy, huh?
That was really sexy.
You got your little wet? Oh, you came in PJs today. Nice.
The Polo PJs?
Polo PJs.
Oh.
Chrysler. So he told me that he could do donuts with his feet, like he could burn out. I want to see if it's true. Let me see, throw that. Let me see the cloud. Let me see the cloud.
Go right there. Mira.
Damn, si quema sus zapatos, güey, huh? Let me see the brand, Jordy's. Sheesh. Calientitos. Hey, watch out. You're gonna get stuck to the floor.
Yeah, hold on. Food, they're getting sticky. Ready?
Si quema, mira. Oh, verga. Chinga su madre. Ese güey le vale verga. Gee, he's the next Tokyo Drift right there for sure. Ahí viene la troquita, güey, la troquita. Es de Guatemala, Chapín. That's the homie.
That's good.
What's poppin', bro? What's poppin'? That's it. Likewise. Ya menos se llevaban la morra, güey. Shit. What's up, bro? What's cracking? Sheesh. Así nomás. Cops always. ¡Culeros! Fuck, they ruin everything. We got 2, 3, 4 cops. Vámonos a la verga ya. Alright, we got multiple units in the house, guys. We're on our way to the next location. Ghetto! Undercover! Psych. Woo! Oh, shit! We're on our way to the next location right now. The freeway's looking so packed right now. Look at that. Sheesh! At least 500 300 plus people right now at this meet. Then the next location is at a Call of Duty map, Peter. And we got the guy over there with the tanga. No mames. Sheesh, look how packed it is. Oh! Epale. What's up? Oh, that's the homie! That's the new homie! That's the new homie! Radiator blue is best spot right now, hands down. This is barely the first spot, guys. Now imagine how the rest of the week's gonna be. I would have got hit. I was right there. Oh. I'm telling you, it's the radiator juice. Es el jugo del radiator, la verga. The 392 in the house, let's get it. First time at the meet, how do you think? You like it? That's right, that's right. Quieto, quieto. There we go. There we go. We got the ball coming out of the car. Oh, 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 oh. There's a car crash out here. There's a car crash out here. God. Dale, dale, dale. Sheesh. We're here for a good ass minute. The cops are blocking in this spot right here. We're all gonna go this way. Fuck that. Hey, what's up, bro? Oh, hell yeah.
Check, 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 check. Woo!
Oh, shit. Today's video is brought to you by Bank of America / Joaquin en la Caja. Uh-oh. We got a chopper in the sky. Este hijo de la puta quiero que se vaya para la casa, pinche marica. The people in the drive-thru have no idea what's going on right here, right now. They're just, damn, why is there a gate right here? Nah, don't be calling the cops. Don't be calling the cops. Por favor, no le llamen a la policía. ¿Por qué? No! Don't call the cops. They know, hey, they know. Why are they calling the cops? Damn! Handling some real crime, because this ain't no crime. Leave us alone. We got one unit on the way to the next location. I blame Jack in the Box for the unit. That's right. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I'll see you around. Sheesh. We're going to the next location. It's packed tonight, guys. Hashtag bring the underglow back. Sheesh. Okay, so we got 5 units, but they're a little too late to the party. Welcome to downtown for you guys that are from Mexico and all over the world that subscribe to me. This is what downtown LA looks like. Guys, we're in the heart of downtown LA. We got 3 cars. People on the top of the bridge, downtown LA, baby. It's lit out here. Uh-oh. Oh, we gotta get them out. We got Camaro on Camaro. Oh! This is the 3rd close call for tonight, guys. Guys, so we out here somewhere in downtown LA and we hear thousands of cops coming. Le voy a llamar a mi mamá. Oh, we're in the tunnel, baby. Oh! We got the kitty in the house, okay. man. We got some gunshots on the other side, but okay. Shit. They're shooting. Watch out, watch out.
Behind the poles.
I'm on my way. What the fuck?
They're shooting, baby.
All right, ready?
Careful.
Come on. Oh, hell no, I'm out. I don't want to die over a meat. Shit. God damn.
I spent some days in the trap and got my money up.